Launch Control. The Alpine A110 is equipped with a launch control feature which delivers maximum acceleration by optimizing the dual clutch gearbox and the traction control patterns. Only accessible once the mechanical components have reached their optimum operating temperature. The procedure is as follows. With the vehicle stationary and the engine running, select Sport Mode via the control on the steering wheel. Press hard down on the brake pedal with your left foot and at the same time, pull both paddles towards you until the launch control on message appears. Release the paddles, keep your left foot on the brake pedal, and press hard down on the accelerator until the engine speed stabilizes at around 2,500 RPM. Release the paddles within the next 4 seconds to achieve the most effective start. Be aware that intensive use of launch control may result in premature wear in certain components, such as the tires, clutch, and transmission.